keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. I'm lacing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you.
Told you guys I was gonna be doing interesting things for Vlogmas, but we're just on our Vlogmas, Christmas in July Vlogmas. You're allowed to talk, it's okay. And we're just driving with Brandy to another photo shoot in the middle of, what the heck?
Carson.
Oh no!
Carson's on fire.
I hope not.
There's a bunch of police
It's probably just like an
and
emergency thing.
Yeah.
fire
You said you choked on
truck
Yeah,
at my
that's
favorite restaurant. I am just really vlogging out here, even though this is terrible lighting. It is nighttime. It's like 9:30. We just got finished shooting with Brandy, and we love her so much. So backstory, I've followed her on Instagram for years. She's a local photographer known for like senior portraits, but I loved her style. It was like, we live in Kentucky, and like a lot of the people out here like the outdoorsy, like darker, like edited photos, and that's just not me. And she just has like these light and airy and just beautiful and whimsical and girly, and I knew I wanted her as a wedding photographer. And so I was like, I reached out and I was like, girl, please tell me you do weddings. And we met up and basically fell in love at first sight and have been best friends, and we run around and shoot around town. And she asked me to lay in grass where bugs are, and I did it for her. Did it for you, Brandy. But now we are starving, and because we were going on vacation, we're running out of food in our house. So we're going out. I'm gonna get Burger King Impossible Whopper because it's plant-based, no meat. I love it. But Burger King's fries, honestly, I had not had Burger King in years until they did this Impossible Whopper, and I didn't even think it was gonna be good, but now I really like it. But I do not like their fries, so Carter's gonna get Cane's, and I'm probably gonna get the fries from there and some cane sauce. Cause it's dairy free. Most of those like orange sauces are dairy free. The color, it's like creamy because it's mayo. It's not vegan because there's eggs, but so yeah, we're just going all over the place. I've become quite the fry connoisseur because that's like all I can eat a lot of places is fries. So if you're in the Lexington, Kentucky area, Joella's fries are amazing. Carter does not know a good fry.
I think your opinion is wrong.
He doesn't know a fry. He's not a fry connoisseur because he can eat other food. Yeah, but like also like freaking potatoes are like my love language.
That's valid. The past couple of nights she's literally made potatoes.
Literally, guys, I've been making French toast and like potato wedges.
That's true. Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Religiously.
Potato wedges, like baked in the oven with like salt, pepper, garlic, herbs de Provence. Like I get the Trader Joe's one. Like it's got lavender in it. Did you know that was the secret ingredient?
I did not.
You've been eating lots and lots of lavender potatoes. I love lavender and rose flavored things. It's like soap. Tastes like soap, but like I love it.
It
Carter,
does taste like soap.
your hair looks amazing. had his hair for like 6 years, ever since I went to beauty school and learned the basics. And like, he doesn't always like style it, but we just got back from a photo shoot and he looks amazing. Like, his hair is so great. Babe, you are gorgeous.
Thanks, babe.
God. And then other times he just like doesn't do anything to his hair and just kind of like, he's been working from home the past few months, so like he just kind of looks like
Choose your words.
12-year-old boy.
Oh, okay.
But no, he looked like a hunky man tonight. But yeah, we're gonna go grab food and then I'm gonna take off this makeup and take out these clip-in extensions because, oh my god, I love them, but I'm just trying to go to bed. You guys probably like it in the dark. It actually, there was like enough lights outside. Anyways, sweet dreams. So it is July 3rd and I'm at my family's house. And we like have been in the pool and I did my nails and I did my little niece's nails. You guys do not know she exists because she's like a foster right now still. So we can't show her face, but she is 2.5 and she's the greatest thing in the entire world. She's so sassy. She has the biggest personality and she just like, she loves all of me and my siblings, and it's just so sweet and cute how she like looks up to me. And like, I was doing her nails, or I was doing my nails and she wants me to do her nails, and she likes me to do her hair, and I got her a bow, and she always, whenever I'm over, she wants her bow in. But this is the first time, because me and Carter are leaving with his family to go to Hilton Head tomorrow on the 4th, and this will be the first time. This will be my first time ever being away from my family on the 4th of July to do fireworks in our driveway and everything. And so we're going to do it tonight on the 3rd because I'm really attached and yeah. But I'll get some of the I'll get some video of like us playing with the fireworks and being goofy with like sparklers and stuff. But it's like my entire family, which is like 1,000 siblings, plus Melina, plus my friend and her husband are going to come over, and we're just going to play in the pool. They're all getting Taco Bell. I'm allergic, so I'm just making my salmon like I always do every single night, whether I'm here or not. I just bring salmon with me like everywhere because I can only eat so many things whenever other people are cooking. But yeah, so that's the update. Alright, so we're finally out here doing fireworks. That's the moon, not the sun.
Hope you can catch this one. It has
okay.
a parachute and we all catch it. Can I have a French toast?
In a second, I want to try them first. Is that a sparkler? Noah, move. Georgie, move.
Oh, that one's going in the field post show.
And you guys, I've been eating so much French toast. I just made some with Cheryl's eggs. Joy, I made you some too.
Where are they?
And the poor doggies are getting scared.
Where are these, Joshua?
So our poor babies are scared of the fireworks. Come here, Gabe. Here. I brought you French toast. He just wants to protect us from the fireworks. Gabe, you want a bite? His name is Gabriel because he's an angel. Gabe, you want a bite? And he just got recently shaved because he's a hot boy in the summertime. So dainty. And if you see his tail, he looks like a circus lion. Yes, get it. Oh my goodness. Good boy. Good boy. I love you. I love. Woo! We got our paper.
Mine still won't light. We're super safe. Mine still won't light. Hey, Josh.
Okay, everybody, new stuff. I feel like it's a secret door.
Hey, Hope, where are the other ones? Where are the other ones, Hope? Are these all of them?
There's like two more.
I want one.
Okay, now do infinity sign. Okay, now do
Mine went out again and then the end came off.
Oh, Jacob's doing like a really fast. Ah! Oh, I thought he like dropped it.
It came off. Where is it?
Give me an A. A. Give me. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm out.
Also, guys, be careful if you're barefoot in this park.
Well, that was I'm not barefoot. Sorry, I didn't know you were right there. I didn't know you were right there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Where are we putting these?
I just set them on the concrete right there. Is that the last one? Was that the last morning glory?
There's one right here on the ground.
Jacob.
I got one.
Wait, some people you can't have two.
Go out till I can come to use it.
Chill.
I need that. I want the last.